I booked my United flight from Houston to Vancouver weeks ago. Economy seat. Great price. My ticket includes a window seat selection and one carry-on. That's it. That's all I need. Here's my packing plan. One carry-on bag, 12 by 9 by 21 inches. Plus a fabric briefcase. No checked luggage. None. Now, you might ask, how? You're gone 3 weeks. I'm sailing 16 days on NCL Norwegian Spirit from Vancouver, up through Alaska, across the Pacific, all the way to Maui, Kauai, the Big Island, Oahu. The trick. Laundry service. The ship does it, so I pack light. 6 pairs of pants, 10 shirts, no checked bag fees, flying home. Honolulu to San Diego, then home to Houston, Southwest, under $300, one small worrying, though. My hotel in Waikiki has plumbing work during the day. We'll see how that goes. Dutch's travel dodge of the day. Pack light, sail long.